Hey folks, Bobby here today. Hey folks, today we're doing our little engine rebuild on 2.5 liter Ford, and we're going to show you how to wash an engine block with soap and water. This will actually be for any type of engine you're rebuilding. I highly recommend Dawn dishwashing detergent. I will definitely put a link down below for Dawn. It's awesome, okay, if you don't already have some at home. Dawn dishwashing detergent and some water, some type of brush where you can go down in your cylinder bores real good, any other places that you need to go. We got a couple different brushes here. We also have a soft rag here we're going to be using as well. Nathaniel is actually going to do most of this washing today. We're going to soap this sucker up, rinse it off really good with the water hose. No need really for the pressure washer. You can get everything done to what it needs to get done with just soap and water and regular pressure. We also have our crankshaft right here, just out of the Varsol vat. We cleaned all our passages. You may have seen that in another video. We're going to soap and water it as well, scrub it good with a brush, and blow everything off with compressed air today. Okay, everything has to be blown completely dry. Journals will have to be oiled with a thin coat of oil before we actually get ready to build it. Cylinder walls, especially this one because we had it bored, we'll actually coat the cylinder walls with a thin coat of motor oil as well as soon as we're done. So stay tuned. We're going to show you a little bit of this in real time, and then we'll probably put the time lapse on to finish it up. All right, Nathaniel's doing a good job here, folks, soaping this baby up. Lather him up good. Okay, now that we have got done with blowing off the engine after washing it with soap and water, I've got an old sock here that I'm using. I've got it dipped in some 5W30 motor oil, and I'm putting a thin coat of oil inside these cylinder walls just to prevent it from getting surface rust on those, as a freshly machined surface will always very quickly start rusting. Okay, so we definitely want to get this oil on here as quickly as we can, and then we will move on. Okay guys, hey, we've got this thing washed and blown dry, so we are going to apply a thin coat of motor oil on the journals as well to prevent rust from happening. I want to thank you guys for stopping by here today, checking out our little video on how to wash a block and crank before engine assembly. I think this is very important. And I just want to thank you again for stopping by. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, check out up and coming videos. We're going to have a lot of videos on this engine project. And check the links down below. Might be some cool stuff. Have a great day. Bye-bye.